Hello everyone, welcome to Breakthrough Earners. Start earning today with us. Today I have brought you a very revolutionary idea of just making money by writing medical transcriptions. So can you imagine that you can earn $2,700 per month at a minimum, and which accounts to $32,500 per year? So can you imagine such a simple work by just writing medical transcriptions? But what are these medical transcriptions? So let me explain you. So whenever there is an audio file, you have to convert that into a written document. Okay, that is a medical transcription. But why this term medical is attached with it? Because medical transcriptions are the transcriptions that you convert the audio files that are attached to medical field. Okay, so basically these are in the form of prescriptions in audio form from the doctors. So this work is so simple. So in order to do this work, you have to go to this website talentdesire.com. Just type in Google or any other browser that you're using, talentdesire.com, and you will come to this web page. Okay, this web page contains various earning opportunities, but you have to go to current openings to find all the available opportunities that you can apply for. So at the top you will find the current opening section. Okay, in the menu just click on that current opening section. After clicking on the current opening section, you will go through various jobs like online typing jobs, okay, online tutoring jobs. But as we are interested in medical transcription jobs, you have to click on that medical transcription jobs. Before moving forward, please subscribe to the channel, and also please share it with your friends and family. And if you are enjoying the video, please push the like button. That will be very helpful for us. Okay, coming to the topic, medical. When you click on the medical inscription jobs, you will see a page that will explain you about the job, what will be the job, okay, what they will be offering. You can see that they will be offering like 27,000 to 54,000 per year. That is a very big amount. Okay, you can earn that much dollars every year. Just imagine how simply you can earn that money. But before that, you have to follow various steps. So let's go through each and every step. Before that, let's see what are the pay rates they are paying. Okay, so that is quite important actually. See, for the beginners they are paying like $0.02 per word. Okay, so if you have a 30 words per minute typing speed, and you do it for 6 minutes, okay, then you can earn almost $3.6. And then when your level is increased over time by experience, you will be paid more per word. Now what is expected as a beginner? You will be earning minimum $90 per day, so that accounts to almost $2,700 per month and $32,500 per year. So this is how you can earn money. When you scroll down more, there is an earning simulator where you can just calculate the various types of earnings that you will be getting. So these earnings can be calculated in per page form. Okay, for per page, how much you will be earning, for the number of words you are typing. So you can calculate it, and also you can see the details of this video in my earlier video also. So how to calculate it. So what are the requirements? Obviously your typing speed should be between 30 to 50 words per minute. Okay, and you should have a very good knowledge of internet and English. And eligibility, you should be above 16 years of age. And for joining, it's absolutely free. You don't have to pay anything for joining this program. Okay, first there can be a demo work for you. Okay, and there will be various payment terms and conditions. Now when you scroll down, you have to click on the apply now button, so that you just apply for this job. So there will be various steps for this job. So the first step is the selecting the type of an application form. Okay, you can move down. If you move down, you will see complete it as per guidelines, the instructions manual, and then you have to submit the third step. you have to send them or submit the application. After sending the application, you will be giving a demo project. You have to complete that demo project, and your application will be reviewed over time by the company, and they will schedule an interview in the step 6, and then after the interview they will take the final decision on your selection. And if you get the job, you will enjoy a lot of money by just writing medical transcriptions. Okay, so now let's see what is the application process. So first you have to click on the select application form. So there will be two ways of this application. One can be the online application form, other can be the offline application form. Okay, so first we go to the online application form, click on it. You will see a web page opened, and just when you scroll down you will see a line in red, fill in your details to apply and work with us. Just click on that and you will be presented with a form. So this is the form. First you have to accept the terms and conditions, privacy policies. Then you have to fill your details. You have to write your name here. Okay, write your name, last name, everything as per your documents, because at one point of time they may even take your ID verification. So you have to be very accurate when you're writing your name, etc. Okay, then you have to fill your email details, your contact address, your country, your zip code, okay, and your preferred job title. Also, when you're selecting the time, select it as all day, means your availability will be all day. And when you're selecting type of employment, write it as self-employed. Okay, and just tick on the button, okay, that says I have read and accepted all the statement. Okay, and then put your name here in the signature section, and also confirm that you are not a robot. So, and after that click on the submit button. Before that, there is one title that is called as preferred job title. In that preferred job title, write it as medical transcriber. Okay, after filling the preferred job title, go to the submit button at the bottom. If you scroll down, you will find that button. Okay, you come here, yeah, and click on that submit button, and you are done submitting the application. But personally, I don't prefer this way of applying for this job because you may not be contacted. So go for the offline application form. So in the offline application form, when you click it and scroll down, you will come to a red line that is saying offline application form. So when you click on that, you will find this form. So fill all the details correctly, attest your recent passport size photograph, write your nationality and sign it, and scan this page and send them to the email address that I have shown you earlier. So I will go to the email address also now. So it is available on the selection process page at the bottom. If you scroll down, you will see, let's scroll down, yeah. So here you can see brighttalentdesire.com. So you have to send the mail to that email address. So if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel. Also like the video and also share the video with your family and friends. And again, thank you for watching the video.